Hey everyone! Welcome to your 5-minute Filipino lesson. If you're planning to visit the Philippines or just want to learn a new language, this video is for you. Part 1. Basic Greetings. Kumusta? It means hi or how are you? You can say this to anyone. Kumusta? You can also say, Kumusta po? We add po to show respect, especially when talking to someone older. Ayos lang. I'm good. Ayos lang. Again, you can also say, Ayos lang po. Ayos lang po, as a polite way of saying, I am good. Magandang umaga. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga po. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi po. Part 2. Polite phrases. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Walang anuman. You're welcome. Walang anuman. Walang anuman po. Pasensya na. Sorry. Pasensya na. Pasensya na po. Oo. Yes. Oo. If you're talking to someone older, you can say, Opo. Opo. Hindi. No. Hindi. Hindi po. Part 3. In a restaurant or market. Nagugutom ako. I'm hungry. Nagugutom ako. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Kain po tayo. Kain po tayo. Magkano ito? How much is this? Magkano ito? Magkano po ito? Ang sarap ng pagkain. The food is delicious. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang sarap ng pagkain. Part 4. Getting around. Where is? Nasaan ang? Nasaan ang? Again, if you're talking to someone older, you can also say, Nasaan po ang? Where's the restroom? Nasaan ang CR? Nasaan po ang CR? Yes, we call it CR, short for comfort room. Left. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. Right. Kanan. Kanan. Straight ahead. Diretso. Diretso. Please stop here. Dito lang po. Dito lang po. Now, if you're riding a taxi and you want for the taxi driver to stop, you can say, Dito lang po. Dito lang po. Or, sa tabi lang po. Tabi means on the side. Tabi lang po means you want the taxi to go on the side of a road. If you're riding a jeepney, the usual phrase to say stop is para. Para po. Para po. Part 5. Common Taglish. Filipinos often mix English and Tagalog in one sentence. This is called Taglish. Examples: kain na tayo ng lunch. Let's eat lunch. Kain na tayo ng lunch. Lunch is translated as pananghalian in Tagalog, but we rarely use this word in the city, though this is used in the provinces. Wait lang, i-message kita mamaya. Wait a moment, I'll message you later. Wait lang, wait a moment. I-message kita. I'll message you. Mamaya is later. Sobrang traffic ngayon. Traffic is really bad today. Sobrang traffic ngayon. Sobrang traffic. Really bad traffic. Ngayon is today. Bonus travel tip. When in the Philippines, a simple smile and a kind salamat can go a long way. Filipinos are very friendly, and they'll appreciate your effort to speak the language. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Filipino lessons. Salamat and ingat kayo!